Hi guys! So today I'll be filming my first, actually my second YouTube video because the first one will never be posted. It was not good. So today I'll be filming something about Pride Month. So I'll be doing some rainbow looking eyes or some shit. I don't know. We shall see. So let's do it. So I've already moisturized my face. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering about my eyebrows, I do shave half of my eyebrows and I can draw them on. However, I won't. Yeah. So to start, I'll be priming my face, and today I'll be using the Pore Filler by NYX Cosmetics. So I just did. Holy fuck! And since I don't have a pore problem in my forehead, so I don't really wear any primer. I don't care. So, after that, of course, foundation. And for foundation, I'll be using today the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. And I'm in the shade Pearl. So I just take some of my beauty blender and just tap tap tap. And then we start blending. I'm having a good hair day today. It's good. Well, I think so. Confidence. It's the key to success. Is it too light on me? I don't know, probably. Oh my god, this is too fucking light for me. Holy shit. It's not going well. How the fuck is this happening to me? After foundation, we go with concealer. And for concealer today, I'll be using the Makeup Revolution Concealer and Define. Take a concealer. It's really good. And it's really cheap too. I know this is too much. I don't give a fuck. To set my concealer, I'll be using the Peach Perfect Too Faced powder. I love this powder, it smells so good. So after setting my face, I'll go with contouring and then bronzing. For contouring, I'll be using the NYX palette, Highlight and Contour Pro palette. For blush today, I'll be using the SEPHORA Colorful Shimmer in the color Fascinated. It says it's long lasting. It's not, I promise you. But I like the color. It looks really, really good on my skin. And I don't really see the shimmer as well. But I'm not fronting. I like always to go with some setting spray just to melt all the powders together before continuing with the rest of my face. I want to bake my face, and for that I'll be using the Fenty powder, and I'm in the color Banana. So I just take some on my Morphe sponge because it's easier for me to draw a straight line. Now let's go to the eyes. So for primer, I'll be using the NYX HD Studio Eyeshadow Base. I've never used it before, so this is the first time. And I can tell I'm not gonna like it. I forgot to do my eyebrows. So I'll do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. Now that my eyebrows are done, let's go with the eyes. So I've already laid down my base. Now I'm gonna start with white. And I'm using the Morphe 35 to start the 35B palette, and the color is chalk. And that's gonna go inside in the inner corner. After the white, let's go with the yellow. And for the yellow, to start, I'll be using the Thirsty palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and the color will be quenching for that. So I'll go with a packer brush and then start backing. Back. That's pretty. After yellow comes orange. So I'm going back to my 35B palette, and the color is Puffs. You pack it on the brush really well, and then you just start tap. A bit orange too. It's great. Perfect. So as you can see, I'm going with the color really high, because that's the look I'm going for. So after orange comes, you know it, bitch, red. And the red that I chose is in another Morphe palette, and this one is the 3502. And my red is going to be Fire. That's such a bad name. The fuck? Habit. Just take a lot on the brush, tap out the excess, and then start tapping it in, building out the color. Now that you choose how far you want to drag it and the style that you want to have. So after applying the colors, now we're gonna start blending a little bit. So I'll take some of the red, just a little bit, and then I just start buffing it out. Circular motions, out, and now let us start with the other eye. Oh no, before doing that, I wanted to put on shimmery color. I want a shimmery color on the base of every color that goes with it. So for the reds, I'll be using the ruby color from the 3502. I just tap it in. The orange, I'll be using watermelon from the 35B palette. I'll be taking the color on a flat brush. And for the yellow one, I'll be using Lemonade from the same palette, the Morphe one. For the whites, what can I use to highlight the whites? I think I'm gonna go with the Jeffree Star Skin Frost Pro Palette. It's the Platinum Ice. Pink Chill. Now I want to highlight the inner corner, and for that I'll be using still Pink Chill and the Morphe E36 palette, the brush. I keep saying palette instead of brush. Am I stupid? No. Does it make me sound stupid? Yes. So we will start as I did before, white, and just packing it on there. So with the green, I'll be starting with the apple cider from 35B. It's really, really pretty green. Green is on. So after green comes blue. So thirsty, submerge. Let's go. So you pick up color, tap up the axis, and then start. Oh my god. To this purple. So the purple that I want to use is Influencer in the 15S Morphe palette. Ooh, that's a good purple though. Go, go. Now it's time to take off the bake. For the under eyes, I just put in the colors that I put up, just in the same area underneath. Yeah, queen. After that, I'll be popping in some lashes, and I'll be right back. Now that our eyes are done, so I went with the Huda Beauty lashes. Yeah, Jade 13. So for highlighter, I'll be using the James Charles, and I'll be using Base. It looks popping on this side. This side. Again with the brush. And on the lip. More. For the lips, it's going to be something very simple. I'm gonna choose a nude color just to calm all of this down with the Jeffree Star Lip. So we'll go with Calabasas. Yep. And I'll top it off with some Fenty gloss. And with this, the look is done. Finally, we will finish with some NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. So that's it guys for today's video. À très vite. Bye.